Europe is made up of nation-states, but not all nations have their own state. This often inspires political movements seeking independence. Scotland rejected independence from the United Kingdom in September 2014, with 55% of the population voting against it. However, another referendum could be held within the next decade. In Spain, Catalonia, the country's wealthiest region, has long campaigned for full independence from Madrid. In September 2015, Separatists secured a parliamentary majority in the Regional Assembly. The Basque Country, which has its own distinct language and culture, also wants greater autonomy. In Italy, the right-wing Northern League was founded in 1991. The anti-EU movement wants independence for Padina, which includes the wealthy Lombardy and Veneto regions. Corsica has a special status, giving it a degree of autonomy from France, but that's still not enough for nationalists who won regional elections in December 2015. In Belgium, Flemish nationalists feel that their well-off region subsidises French-speaking Wallonia. They want to change Belgium's status from a federal state to a confederation. The discovery of oil and natural gas reserves has fuelled nationalism in the Faroe Islands. Comprising 18 islands, the Faroes are an autonomous region of Denmark. Independence remains a sensitive political issue across parts of Europe, but for now no EU territory has been recognised as a sovereign state.